Hey everyone, this is Sime, your crypto CPA from the Lone Star State here at Occupy CPA. And we're gonna today talk about a very important topic, which is basically we have so many clients, and I know that a lot of smart investors out there that have partnerships or S corporations, and they're receiving these K1s, and that has the crypto K1s in there, right? So when you're receiving a crypto K1, I know this is not a job of a taxpayer, a normal taxpayer, for them to review all the boxes that are particularly associated with the K1, but we basically tag team with so many CPA firms across the country, right? I primarily handle the entire crypto department here at Occupy CPA and also at our sister company, Chainblock Financial. And one thing that we see in these K1s is they're just wrong. They're absolutely wrong. And what I want to do is do a quick video. And if you've received a K1, I want you to review it. And if it looks wrong, I need you to send it back to your CPA and get this fixed, because we have the September deadline coming up. And after that September deadline, you don't have an extension. And then you need to file your taxes by October. If you've filed them incorrectly, you need to get this amended ASAP, because right now everyone's in the crosshair of crypto audits. You're seeing, or examination, potential examinations, let's put it this way. We are seeing more than 50,000 6371s and 6374 letters that are being issued, right? So IRS is truly watching, even though this is the time for prosperity in the world of crypto, in the world of blockchain. But we are seeing so many errors across the board. And it's just a matter of time, because IRS uses data analytics, and they're going to go back and pull all your old records, and they'll know that this is wrong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an example of a wrong K1 that we see all the time. And then we always ask the CPA firms or our clients' CPA firms to fix them and send it back to us so we can do their tax returns properly. But because we do these K1s ourselves and we know what to do. But again, if you're not a well-versed CPA, or if your CPA is somebody you've had for a millennia, and sure, they're amazing at what they do, but cryptocurrency is something that is new. This is something that you need to pay close attention to, because it has the potential of jeopardizing your entire portfolio. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. So I'm going to give you an example of a wrong K1 and a corrected K1. So if you received a K1, I need you to watch this. So ladies and gentlemen, look at this. This is something that came for a different client of ours, and we knew right away because we were in talks and they were telling us that they had capital gains and losses. So if you look at this, this is all just ordinary business income, and look at this. Short-term capital loss and gain loss, long-term. And there's nothing in these boxes. And the client swore that they had capital gains and losses. So we went right back. We started reviewing all their crypto accounting, and sure enough, they did have crypto capital gains and losses. And now look at this corrected K1. I'm going to put this side by side so y'all can see. Well, I'm going to zoom into the corrected one first and then put them side by side. This is an amended one. Once you get an amended one, make sure this box is checked if they've already filed this tax return. And this is for an 1120S. Similar thing applies to 1065s. And now look at this. After we got this corrected, voila. Now the crypto capital gains and losses are being forwarded to the individual taxpayers 1040 because of this. A lot of times, older CPAs and CPA firms that are not well versed, and it's okay because this is a new area, and most CPAs will catch up. This is it's just a matter of time. So I'm not trying to dock anybody, or this is something new. And again, basis is something that it's a whole different chapter in K1s, in partnerships and S-Corps. So what I need you to understand, look, this is a wrong K1 where everything was lumped into one box, which is the ordinary business income, which was wrong. They had to apply this properly, and sure enough, they only had $177,000 of ordinary business income and not 365. The rest of it was short-term capital gain and long-term capital gain. And had this been filed, again, this is up to the taxpayer, up to you to fix this. When a CPA firm or whoever you're dealing with, when they file, Sure, they're giving you practitioner advice, they're giving you proper advice, but again, at the end of the day, you as the taxpayer, the company, the individual, it's on you. First of all, the company will pay lots of fines and penalties, and then the individual will pay lots of fines and penalties if this is happening. So I really would like it that if you have received a K1, you need to review your K1 before you get this filed. Ask your CPA firm to make sure that everything flows properly. Otherwise, there's no way that this is going to be a correct tax return, both on the S corporation and the partnership side, and also on the individual side. So this was a quick video, quick segment I wanted to bring this to everyone's attention because we have September's coming up. This is the Labor Day weekend, and I know everyone's going to be enjoying, but let's get this right. We can do this. I just need you to just question your CPA and just make sure that this is done right. Thank you so much. This is Sime, your crypto CPA from the Lone Star State here at Akif CPA and also at our sister company, Chainblock Financial. If you need to contact us or send us a comment, just like, subscribe. You'll get a front row seat to all of our live sessions. And I want to make sure that your crypto portfolio does not jeopardize your entire financial portfolio and you're not going in for any kind of potential examination or anything else. So thank you so much. And we're going to see you after the Labor Day weekend. Take care and have a great one.